Spicy carrot and parsnip soup. Look how silky smooth this is. I'm just amazed at the results. Here's how you make it using the Justme soup maker. All you need is 5 ingredients: parsnip, carrot, half a red onion, half a stock pot and some curry powder. The smaller parsnips make the best flavour. Leave the skin on, it's all good fibre. Just chop your pieces up nice and small. Half a stock pot made up with 200 ml of water. Add the curry powder and give it a good stir. Replace the lid and select the smooth function on the machine. The programme takes about 19 minutes. The results: silky smooth soup packed with fibre, potassium and vitamin C. Gorgeous. This soup contains only 110 calories as well, and it's super filling. At the moment, parsnips and carrots are cheap and they're in season, and this fresh soup only costs 50p to make, and that's incredible. This fabulous little soup maker is on sale today at Amazon.